Good morning, everyone. Today is 3/24/20. We're going to be talking about complementary angles. So we started yesterday with classifying angles, right, acute, obtuse, straight. And today we're going to talk about complementary angles, which goes along with what we learned yesterday. Now, let's write the definition for complementary angles. Okay? So, complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Okay, let's write that down. So complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Well, yesterday we learned what 90 degrees looks like. 90 degrees looks like the corner of your paper. Okay, just like this. Perfect. And it has the symbol of 90 degrees. So if you have one angle that's exactly 90 degrees, well, that's called a right angle. But if you cut this angle, not necessarily in half, in any which way, doesn't have to be in half. Now you have two angles, right? So this angle up here is, we're going to call it angle A. And this angle down here is called angle B. Okay, so this one's angle A and this one's angle B. Together, they make 190-degree angle. So if I have, this is a universal symbol for angle. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So when I add up this angle and I add up this angle, together they equal 90 degrees. That is called complementary angles. Two angles that add up to 90 degrees. If you have one angle, it's called a right angle. But because we have two, added together gives you complementary angles. Okay? It's pretty easy, I think. All right, so let's do one problem. Practice problem. So here, I start off with a 90-degree angle. Perfect. You know, if you have graph paper, it's pretty easy to draw in. So then let's say I'm going to cut it. Doesn't matter how much you cut it by. I'm going to say that angle A is going to equal 40 degrees. And this is angle B, and I don't know. All right. So we're going to set up a really simple equation. The reason we're going to do it in equation form is because tomorrow these get extremely hard and we got to practice writing them in equations. Yes, you will write this down. 40 plus, well, what do I use when I don't know something, a number? You could use B. We're just going to write X is equal to 90 degrees. So here I have a one-step equation. Okay, 40 plus X, so 40 plus this unknown, okay, is equal to 90 degrees. So I'm going to draw my bars. Go ahead and work ahead of me. Get rid of this number by subtracting 40. Subtracting 40. X equals 90 minus 40 is 50. So this unknown angle is really 50 degrees because 40 plus 50 equals 90. Okay? Now sometimes your angles could be drawn the other way. This way. And then it's split somehow. Like that. And we're going to say that this is 17 degrees and this is just X, right? You don't really know which one's A and B. It doesn't really matter. So 17 degrees, that's a 17. That's X. So you could also write it as X plus 17 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So how do I get rid of the 17? I want X all by itself. Yes, again, I'm repeating myself. Write this down. Practice writing your equations. I know you can do this in your head. I know. But we're practicing. We're setting up for tomorrow. Because tomorrow, again, it's going to be a million times harder than this, guys. I know. You can't wait. I can't wait either. X equals. Now, if you want to show your work, 90 minus 17, you're going to borrow 3 and 7, 73 degrees. So this missing angle is 73 degrees. Okay. All right. So that's basically it. It's pretty easy. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a couple problems to work on. Now, I don't need you to take a picture of this. Okay, I'm good with this. I trust that you're writing it down. I need you to take a picture of your work for these problems, and I'll zoom it in a second. And then take a picture of it, upload it to this assignment. Some of you are not doing that. You're telling me you did it, but there's no proof. So make sure you do these. This is what I'm like checking to make sure you understand it. If it's not allowing you to take a picture and upload it, try later. Okay, sometimes Google Classroom gets overwhelmed and it doesn't allow you to upload. You can also maybe share a document with me, right? Type in your answers or insert the photo and share the doc with me. Just be patient. Okay, I'm being patient. When you're able to do this, turn it in. All right. All right, you guys have a good day, okay? I know at least it's raining right now. Hopefully it stops and you guys can enjoy some time outside. Stay home, stay safe. I'll see you soon, guys. Take care.